Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be doing motion tracking with Boujou, 3D camera tracking, and Blender. So first off, you are going to want to get your clip. We are going to do something like that, except this time I'm not going to use the eyeball. I'm just going to use a ordinary, just a cube or something, just to show you how it works basically. So you're going to drag this little clip into here, and then you're going to want to export it as a different file. Sorry, I'm talking really quietly. It's because I'm tired and my parents are asleep and I don't want to wake them. So yeah. So we'll name this Boujou tracking to the real. Okay, so we'll save that. Now it will take some time to export because I've got a lot open here. So I'll just skip this. Okay, once it's done that, we're going to go into Boujou and hit set up import sequence. Now we're just going to go and find out. Oh, it's in here. Okay, there it is. So you open that up, and you're going to want to make it the same frame as you exported it, and on free move. So you hit apply. Now what you're going to do is you can hit track feature, and you're going to. I'm just going to put it one up to make more, and then you're going to hit start, and then what it does is it will track as much points as it can, as you've set it up to do, and it will put a load of markers at those points as long as it can, so it's as accurate as it can possibly be. So yeah, now once it's done, I'm going to want to go back to the beginning and go 3D task and solve camera. And you're going to hit optimize camera path. And what this does is it smoothens it out, so it calculates how far away objects are. So say this chair and this door. When the camera rotates, the door will rotate differently to how the chair does, and that will make it so it can calculate how far away things are from each other to make a 3D pan, so then the camera is right when you export the camera. Okay, now that's done. You'll want to watch it back and watch it over and over again to see how good you've got it, and see if it screws up. Okay, so it screws up a little bit at the end, so that won't matter. Okay, that never mind about that, because but in real life you're gonna, obviously if that happens, then you're gonna want to undo all of it, track it again, and do more tracking points, of course. But we're just gonna leave it like that for this tutorial, and export camera solve, and then we're gonna name it Boujou tracking 2. And we're going to change this into a text file, because you have to use text for Blender, and then we're just going to, let's go to 85, or 70, let's just do it to 70, and then go save, and then you saved it. Now you can just come out of that, literally that's it. Usually you're not meant to, or you can, but I usually don't, because I might need to come back and do it again. Anyway, so you're going to open up Blender. I'm going to do this on 2.49, as I know how to use it most. Anyway, so we're going to make a new one. I'm going to go to text edit, and click new, and we're going to go to this Boujou. We're going to get the script, highlight all of it. We're going to Command C, copy it, and we're going to paste it into here, and then hit text or run Python script. Now, all we have to do now is find our thing. So we have to look for Boujou track 2. So that would be, yeah, in documents, I think. Tracking 2. There you go. Import. And you can go on here and go camera. Now, if we bring this object down and go to timeline, if we set this to 70, the same as the actual video, if we play it through, we can see that the camera moves how it should. Okay, so we're wanting this to track in a living room. So what's best to do is you go on View, Background Image. Wait, make sure you're all the way to the back, and load. Okay, and we're going to load up an image. Now this is one of the reasons why this might not work, but it gives you a good idea of where to put things for tracking tutorials like. Because I've saved the Boujou track as a shorter thing, it can go off course sometimes on Blender. The video can, so it doesn't matter about that. It's as long as you know where to place it and everything, it's fine. So we'll rotate that on the x-axis a bit and on the y-axis. And if we play through, as you can see, it's like outside the door. So we'll like bring that through, bring it up RX, RY, go to the beginning, come forward a bit. I want to bring it forward a bit more. There might be around right. And there you go, that's literally how it's done. That is exactly how you can do it. You can obviously make it 10 times better by adding shadows and stuff, having more tracking points and everything but like that. But that's basically how you do it. And then you render it out, go in After Effects or something, and yeah. But yeah, that's it. You just go in After Effects, put it together, composite it, make it look realistic, make it fit the scene and everything, and that's basically that. Guys, so thank you for watching, and hope this helped. Goodbye.